All right, former Fed.
Hey options traders, want to start finding killer trade setups more often? Then our free report is
was $1.47. So that's short revenue of 1.182 billion. The estimate was 1.183 billion, so that's slightly short. Sees full year revenue to be down 3 to 4% versus 2023. That is Tango Kilo Romeo TKR.
BP.
Shares of Humana trading on very light volume, $400.99.
ALXO.
Trading down. Following their earnings report, that's HUM.
ALXO.
INTC.
ALXO. ALXO. ALXO.
INTC. Shell.
ALXO. ALXO. ALXO.
WIT, YPro secures contract to enhance Mali's IT infrastructure with hybrid cloud
ALXO.
solutions.
IMNN.
Says the deal was mentioned on the company's financial results back in April. That's Whiskey India Tango.
PCSA.
INTC.
SLGN, Silgan
INTC.
reporting adjusted. Silgan reporting 71 cents. The estimate was 79 cents, so that short sales of 1.3 billion, 1.38 billion, adjusted earnings of 88 cents. So that is a beat. The estimate was 86 cents adjusted for Sandy Lima Golf November. SLGN beat on earnings. Sales coming in short for SLGN, Sandy Lima Golf, November. ADP
SMH.
reporting $2.09. The estimate
ALXO.
on ADP was $2.06.
ALXO.
That's a beat for Alpha Delta Papa. JCI,
ALXO.
Johnson Controls, $1.14. The estimate on Johnson Controls was $1.08. Sales $7.23 billion. The estimate $7.328 billion. So that's a beat on earnings. Sales coming in short for Julia Charlie India.
ALXO, 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 ALXO,
ALXO.
ALXO, ALXO,
ALXO.
ALXO shares spiking to the highs now, $7.98. Alpha Lima X-Ray Oscar. T-Mobile is out. TMUS, T-Mobile.
ALXO,
ALXO.
T-Mobile reporting $2.49 in earnings. The estimate on T-Mobile was $2.28. Revenue $19.77 billion. The estimate $19.5 billion. So that's a beat for
PCSA.
Tango Michael Uniform Sandy.
AMCN,
PAG, Penske Auto Group. $3.61. The estimate was $3.40. Revenue $7.7 billion. $7.7 billion. The estimate $7.5 billion for Papa Alpha Golf.
AMZN. AMZN. AMZN.
SHOO, Steve Madden,
Plug.
57 cents. The estimate for Steve Madden was 53 cents. That's a beat for SHOO. AN Auto Nation reporting $3.20. The estimate for Auto Nation was
PMEC.
$4.34, so that's short. Revenue $6.5 billion. The estimate was $6.7 billion for Alpha
SMH,
November.
PYPL,
DAN Dana, 31
SMH.
cents. The estimate on Dana was 28 cents. That's a beat. Sales $2.74 billion. The estimate
PYPL,
$2.77 billion. So that's a miss on sales of being on earnings for Delta Alpha November.
LUMN.
Teva,
BNOX. 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 BNOX,
NVDA, NVDA,
BNOX,
TEVA, NVDL, NVDA, NVDL, NVDL,
OPCH, Option Care Health, reported 30 cents. The estimate was 28 cents. Revenue 1.23 billion. The estimate 1.169 billion. So that's a beat for Oscar Papa Charlie Hotel. CHEF,
New.
Chef's Warehouse, 37 cents. The estimate for
NVDL.
Chef's Warehouse
NVDA,
was
NVDL, NVDA,
31
NVDL,
cents. So that's a
NVDA,
beat. Sales of
NVDA,
954.7 million is a beat. The estimate 943 million for Charlie Hotel Echo Foxtrot.
TEVA,
MO Altria reported $1.31.
NVDL, TEVA,
The estimate was $1.35,
Teva.
$1.34. So that is a miss for Michael Oscar.
TEVA,
Revenue of $6.2 billion.
TEVA,
The estimate was 5.3 billion. So that's a miss on earnings and on revenue for Altria,
Teva.
Michael Oscar.
TEVA, TEVA,
BNOX,
TEVA, TEVA,
AHC Kraft Heinz reported 78 cents. That's a beat. The estimate 74 cents. Sales coming in below estimate at 6.476 billion for Kilo Hotel Charlie.
NVD, ALXO, NVDQ, ISPO,
LOOP Loop Industries announcing important milestone towards completing the
ISPO.
previously announced Reed Management financing package and partnership. Society Generale to acquire 75% of Reed Management SAS. That is LOOP.
Boyle, Boyle,
CBIZ reporting agreement to acquire Markham. That is Charlie Bravo Zulu.
SBUX,
CBZ reporting 39 cents in earnings. The estimate was 68 cents. Revenue is 420 million. The estimate was
SOTK,
430 million. So that's a miss for Charlie Bravo Zulu. also making that acquisition announcement. CBZ. BLCO, Bausch and Lomb, reported 13 cents. The estimate was 12 cents. Sales of 1.216 billion. The
BNOX.
estimate was 1.17 billion.
This is OCC Learning, a self-guided e-learning destination providing practical options education. The platform offers options-related coursework created by industry professionals.
UE
BNOX.
Urban Edge in advanced negotiations to acquire shopping centers in Washington, D.C. and Boston. That's
BNOX.
Uniform Echo. Company reporting 26 cents in earnings.
TQQQ.
That's versus
VRT.
4 cents.
LUMN.
INTC,
SBUX. SBUX.
26 cents. The estimate was 4 cents. That may not compare. Revenue of 106.5 million. The estimate was 107.55 million for Uniform Echo.
ISPO.
VRT, 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 VRT,
TSLA. Big spread. BNOX. BNOX.
SOTK,
ISPO. BNOX.
INTC, DH, INTC, DH,
Boyle.
VRT,
LUMN.
HUM Humana shares trading now at the lows, $364,
Slug.
down $40.52 following the report. That's Hotel Uniform
LMND,
Michael.
INTC.
NVD.
VRT.
BNOX.
Shell.
BNOX. IMNN.
TSDD.
Coming up at 7:30, earnings from Boeing, BA. Boeing expecting a loss of 82 cents adjusted. That's Bravo Alpha. That's coming
TWOU.
up at 7:30
TWOU.
a.m. Eastern Time. And at 8 a.m., earnings from MA MasterCard.
LUMN.
TWOU. TWOU.
TWOU. BNOX. TWOU. TWOU.
GNFT.
TWOU.
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 TWOU. Lobo.
SOXL. BNOX.
LMND. Perry. ACIU.
BRSK, Verisk
BNOX.
Analytics reported $1.74. The estimate was $1.64. That's a beat. Revenue of 717 million. The estimate was 722 million. So that's a miss
TSM.
on revenue, a beat on earnings for Victor Romeo Sandy Kilo.
QIPT. TSM.
PERI, Perian
QIPT.
Network. A loss of 13 cents. The estimate was
BFI.
a loss of a penny, so what a loss than expected. Revenue of 108.7 million. The estimate was 107 million, so that's beat on revenue, a miss on earnings for Papa
MHUA.
Echo Romeo India.
QIPT, MHUA,
Dell,
MHUA,
Uber,
MHUA, 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 GLDG,
BNOX,
Uber, TSM, Dell, NVDA, ORGS,
LABD,
MHUA, Dell, MHUA, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
TSD, NVDA, NVDL,
MHUA,
NVDL, MHUA,
MHUA,
Dell, Dell, VRT, 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 SMH, MHUA,
MHUA,
MHUA, BFI,
MHUA,
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 MHUA, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
MHUA, MHUA, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
PYPL, NVDA, NVDL, 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 NVDL,
NVDA,
SMH, PYPL,
MHUA,
NVDA,
MHUA,
TSM, 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 TSM,
ZIM,
NVDA, NVDA, NVDL, MU, NVDL, NVDA, NVDL, NVDA,
MU,
NVDL, NVDA, NVDA, TSM, QQQ, SMH,
BNOX,
SMH, ARM,
LUMN,
PYPL, ARM,
LUMN,
ARM, PYPL, PYPL, CSCO, ACHR,
NVDQ, ALXO, IMNN,
MULN, MULN, ISPO, 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 ISPO,
BNOX,
CNH,
BNOX, MHUA,
INDV,
MHUA,
INDV, 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 INDV,
MHUA,
Hope, ISPO, SMH, CSCO, VRT,
CNH,
UPST, CNH, F, Oxy, Shell, Oxy, F,
MHUA,
F, UPST,
MHUA, MHUA,
VRT,
MHUA, MHUA,
VRT,
MHUA,
TSM, SMH, MHUA, 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 MHUA,
Coming up, Boeing
MHUA,
at 7:30, in less than 5 minutes. A loss of $1.76 adjusted is expected for BA Boeing.
Dell, Dell,
Shares of Boeing off the highs now 188.70.
Oxy. Oxy.
SOXL. SOXL. ISPO. MHUA.
LECO, Lincoln Electric acquires Vanair. That is Lima Echo Charlie Oscar. Terms not disclosed. LECO.
MHUA. MHUA. IMNN. IMNN.
Mio.
INUV exclusive to Benzinga. Anuvo tells Benzinga company secures $10 million credit line from SLR Digital Finance. Credit facility provided by SLR Digital Finance provides Anuvo with enhanced liquidity and financial ability to accelerate the adoption of large language generative artificial intelligence. That's INUV.
NCLH.
NCLH.
UPST. NCLH.
NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings. At first, Boeing is out now. Boeing reporting a loss of $2.90. The estimate was a
MHUA.
loss of $1.76. That's a wider loss than expected for Boeing. Revenue of $16.9 billion is short of the $17.265 billion estimate for Bravo Alpha. Boeing.
UPST.
Shares of Boeing right now selling off, trading off the lows now, 184.50. That's BA. Said commercial airplane deliveries of
CCL.
92.
Oxy.
Backlog of $515.87 billion. That's Bravo Alpha.
FVRR.
NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, reporting adjusted earnings of 40 cents.
DBGI. DBGI.
The estimate was
DBGI.
35
DBGI.
cents. Revenue
DBGI.
2.37 billion. The estimate was 2.38 billion, so that's slightly short on revenue, a beat on earnings for
Oxy.
NCLH. HES, Hess. Hess reporting adjusted earnings of $2.62. The estimate was $2.48. Revenue $3.26 billion. The estimate $3.05 billion. So that's a beat for Hess. Hotel Echo Sandy, HES. GTES, Gates Industrial, reporting adjusted earnings of 36 cents. The estimate was 36 cents, so that's in line. Sales of 885.5 million. The estimate 895 million, so that's a beat on sales, miss on sales. Inline earnings for Gates Industrial, GTES.
BA.
ROCK, Gibraltar
Mu.
Industries, reporting $1.05.
BA. BA. Mu.
The estimate was $1.22, so that's short for Romeo Oscar Charlie Kilo.
BA.
Sales
Watch the spread.
353 million.
BA.
For ROCK,
BA.
the estimate 373
BA.
million, so that's a
Watch the
loss
spread.
for ROCK, Romeo Oscar Charlie Kilo.
BA.
Uh,
INDV.
Watch the
Boeing
spread.
names Ortberg president and CEO effective August 8th. That's BA Boeing.
Big spread.
Oxy. BA. BA.
IMNN.
BA. 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 LZM. BA.
There's a Boeing now
BA.
spiking higher, $193. BA.
Oxy. Shell.
193.43.
BA. 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 Oxy. BA. Oxy.
And Boeing naming
BA.
Robert Kelly Ortberg as the new president and CEO effective August 8th. Former Rockwell Collins CEO.
BFI.
MHUA. BA. Watch the spread. MHUA. MHUA.
PSTX. 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 VRT.
DCGO, DocGo, launching
PSTX.
Well Child Visits program to help eliminate barriers to pediatric preventive care. That is Delta Charlie Golf Oscar, DCGO.
TSLL. TSLL.
I want to experience yoga all over the world. Can FirstSource help?
With the FirstSource app, we'll make sure you can use your card wherever you're at.
Even doing high lunge in Hawaii?
Yes.
Bow pose in Bali?
Also yes.
Triangle in Thailand?
Of course.
Thanks, FirstSource.
Namaste.
MHUA. MHUA. MHUA.
LDTC,
MHUA.
Hope,
MHUA.
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA.
LDTC,
MHUA.
Oxy, VRT, VRT, VRT,
LUMN.
VRT, BGI, Hope, VRT, AVGO, AVGO, MU, AVGO, AVGO, CNH, MU, MU, AVGO, MU, MU,
SOXL.
VRT, VRT, AVGO,
MU.
LILM,
SBUX,
CNH,
LCID,
SBUX, SBUX,
SBUX,
AVGO, AVGO,
LUMN, LUMN,
AVGO, SGMO, AVGO, 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 VST,
BA, Big Spread,
BIMI,
Hood,
Jimmy
AVGO,
International getting a pop here. Bravo India, Michael India.
BIMI,
BIMI,
BIMI, BIMI, BIMI, BIMI, BIMI, BIMI, SMH,
NVD,
GRPN, Groupon
CNDT,
getting a pop here. Golf Romeo Papa
CNDT,
November, GRPN.
CNDT, CNDT,
LCID,
Oxy,
BA, BA, Big Spread,
LCID,
LCID, BA, Watch the Spread, BA, Big Spread,
CMND,
DBGI, DBGI, MHUA, MHUA,
TSM, TSM. AVGO. TSM. TSM. MHUA. GRPN, GRPN. TSM. GRPN.
LUMN.
GRPN. TSM. Oxy.
MHUA.
TSM.
MHUA. MHUA.
WHLR. Hope. TQQQ. AVGO. HUMA, VRT.
LUMN.
AVGO, VRT. QQQ, TQQQ, AVGO. AVGO. BA. BST.
MHUA.
Pins.
MHUA.
SMH. Pins. Pins. TSM. Pins. TSM. QQQ. NVDL.
Coming up at 8 a.m., earnings from
MHUA.
MasterCard.
TSM.
MasterCard expecting
QQQ.
$3.51 in earnings. That's Michael Alpha.
NVDA. NVDA. NVDL. NVDL. SMH. SMH.
MHUA.
NVDL. NVDL. NVDL.
MHUA,
NVDA, NVDA, NVDL,
MHUA,
MU, 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 MU,
LUMN,
SMH, VRT, NITO, AVGO,
AVGO,
AVGO, NITO,
MHUA, MHUA,
MBLY,
MHUA,
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 MHUA, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
Wolf,
Boyle,
VRT, SMH, TTEC, Hope, QQQ, QQQ,
Boyle,
VRT.
MHUA. 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 NCLH.
AVGO. AVGO.
CCL. Boyle.
AVGO.
Coming up in 2 minutes at 8 a.m., earnings from Boeing, expecting a loss of
NCLH.
$1.76 adjusted. Expecting earnings from MasterCard, MA, expecting $3.51. That's Michael Alpha.
NCLH.
CNH.
NCLH.
MBLY. GRPN. 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 GRPN.
JNVR, Janiver, exclusive to
MHUA.
Benziga. Janiver tells Benziga company's new InsurTech platform achieves
MHUA.
profitability in second month of operation,
JNVR.
increases recurring revenue by more than 60% for the month of May. That's Juliet
MSTT.
November Victor Romeo.
TBIO. NYPL.
ISGO.
TCVP. CLA, CXAI, CGTX, No, WIMI,
BWA, Borg
SMR.
Warner to deliver EFAN system for global OEMs heavy-duty BEV trucks.
RIVN,
RR.
That's Bravo Whiskey Alpha.
GPS.
PAPL, Hood,
MasterCard is
SQQQ,
out, waiting for
SQQQ.
those earnings.
VST, SMR,
MHUA.
AMD, GSRM, MHUA, MHUA, VRT, MHUA,
MHUA.
TSMX, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA.
SBUX, AFRM, VST,
WING, Wingstop reported 93 cents.
VST,
The estimate on Wingstop was 89 1 cent for every 155.7 million is a beat for whiskey in the November Gulf.
CGS, LMNT,
MHUA.
VST,
Still waiting for MasterCard's
Eric,
earnings.
GRPN, VCNX, FCX, GRPN,
MHUA.
SBUX,
ARDX, Ardelyx announcing
GRPN,
publication of 2 plain language summaries for Exposa in
TSLL.
current medical research and opinion. That's Alpha Romeo
GITS.
Delta X-ray.
GITF, JMIA,
ARDX.
TWO, SBUX, TWO, SBUX,
MasterCard is out now.
TSLL.
SBUX,
MasterCard, no, still not out
Indo,
yet.
NGNX,
Michael Alpha.
Guts, VGS,
MHUA.
LGEN, HUC, SERV, Brussels, LGVN, AMZN, BTI,
MHUA.
CHNR, MHUA, DNOI,
MHUA.
CSCO, at JMIA,
MHUA.
ARDX, CONL, STLA, CGC, TSLT, GRPN, ASTS, Fly,
INMD in mode introduces Ignite RF soft tissue contraction platform. India, November Foxtrot Delta.
SDL, NBDS,
India, November Michael Delta, INMD.
LYEL, MHUA, NITO,
MHUA.
NITO, Hood, NITO, MHUA,
MHUA.
SBUX,
NITO popping here, November India Tango Oscar. MasterCard out now. Still waiting for those numbers.
TSM, ASRM,
MasterCard reporting
THM,
adjusted earnings of $3.59.
MHUA.
MHUA, Hood, TSM,
MHUA.
MHUA,
The estimate was $3.51 for MasterCard.
MHUA,
Revenue
MHUA,
$7.08 billion.
MHUA, MHUA,
The estimate $6.847 billion for Michael Alpha.
MHUA, MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA.
CDE, TSM, LILM,
BNOX. BNOX.
LILM, TSM,
IMNN. IMNN.
ACHV, SBUX, TSM, VST, SBUX, FCX, SBUX, LILM, SBUX, MHUA, CD,
MHUA,
SBUX,
MHUA,
MHUA, GRPN,
MHUA,
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
She has a MasterCard at
MHUA,
$456, very light volume, up $8.55 at the high for Michael Alpha.
CD,
MHUA, IMNN,
MHUA,
MHUA, IMNN,
HAFN, ZIM,
IMNN,
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA,
MHUA, Rio, Dell, MHUA,
MHUA,
VST, ZIM, LILM,
LUMN,
AG, Rio, MRVL, OIS, OIS, RIVN, INDV, AVGO,
IMNN,
AVGO, 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 Rio, Mu, Mu, ZIM, MBOT,
MHUA,
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 Mu, Mu, MHUA, 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 Pins, Pins,
MHUA,
Pins. Rio. MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA.
Dell.
MHUA.
MHUA, MHUA,
MHUA.
Zim, Zim,
NCNC, low price stock getting a
Oi.
pop here. NCNC,
Mew, Oi,
Noco,
Pins. Mew, Dell,
MHUA.
Oi, Mew,
MHUA.
MHUA, MHUA, MRVL,
MHUA.
FSCO, Dell,
MHUA.
VCNX, VCNX, RIVN, Pins, VCNX,
LUMN.
RIVN,
LUMN.
VCNX, LUMN, LUMN,
LUMN.
VCNX, CCL, Pins, AVGO, SMH,
IMNN. IMNN.
ACHV, Rio, QQQ,
COYA, Koya Therapeutics expands pipeline and intellectual property portfolio filing of new U.S. patents for Koyo 301. That is Charlie Oscar Yankee Alpha, COYA.
Zim, Rio,
ADP, July private employment rises 122,000, estimate 150,000.
MHUA. IAU.
AVGO, AVGO, Rio, QQQ, TQQQ,
Farm employment change for July 147,000.
MHUA.
Consensus 122,000. Consensus was 147,000.
MHUA.
LUMN, QQQ, SMH, TQQQ, QQQ, TQQQ, QQQ, SMH, AVGO, Rio,
LUMN.
Zim, AVGO,
AGQ.
AVGO, SMH,
IMNN,
SMH, ZIM, Rio,
JBOU, JetBlue
IMNN.
announcing first regular supply of blended
Zim.
sustainable aviation fuel for commercial air travel in New York.
SMH,
That's Juliet Bravo Lima uniform. That's in
Rio,
collaboration with World Connect, WKC.
VST, Rio, MRVL, QQQ, MRVL, TQQQ, 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 QQQ,
TQQQ,
QQQ, VST,
IMNN,
VST,
SOXL,
TSTQ, Rio, QQQ, VST,
MHUA,
VST,
MHUA,
QQQ, TQQQ, AGNC, SOXX, TQQQ, QQQ, QQQ, TQQQ,
IMNN,
QQQ, QQQ,
IMNN,
SOXX, Dell,
IMNN,
S&P futures at the highs
Dell,
50
QQQ,
55.35, up 62.50 following the ADP data.
Pixel,
IMNN,
MVO, GSM, TQQQ, MRVL, BNAI, QCOM, 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 AAL, QCOM, ZIM,
Coming up at 8:30, employment benefits for Q2.
SOXL, TSLL,
MRVL, MRVL,
watch the spread,
QCOM, AAPL, QCOM, AMAT, QCOM, QCOM, NVO, SOXX, ARM, VST, 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 Dell, Dell,
TMF,
TLT, TLT,
TMF,
VST, MSFU, ZIM, TLT,
TMF,
TLT, VST, OI, VST, VST. CCL.
IMNN.
TLT. CMG. O. TLT.
MHUA.
MRVL.
LUMN.
VST. Meta. MRVL.
NVD.
CLSK. VST. CEG. Meta. Meta. DIS. Meta. Meta. DKNG. Shy. Zim.
LPSN.
Zim. Zim. Zim.
MHUA.
CEG. LPSN.
IMNN.
Rig.
IMNN.
SMR.
IMNN.
FCX. Coog. QQQ. CVM. QQQ. TQQQ. 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 QQQ. EVGN. TQQQ.
IMNN. MHUA. SOXL.
AAL.
AMD. AMD.
INTC. LSF.
MHUA.
QYLD. ACHV. LPSN.
MHUA.
CUTR.
Boyle.
CLSK. TLQ. GMM.
Employment wages plus 0.9% versus plus
JNDR,
1.1%
MRVL.
previous. Employment cost index plus 0.9% versus 1%.
GMM.
Consensus employment benefits
GMM.
for the
GMM.
second quarter,
GMM.
1% versus
GMM.
1.1% previous.
MSFT. QCOM. JNVR. SMH. MU.
GMM.
AIRG are again announcing Middle East partnership. That's Alpha India Romeo Golf.
JNVR.
SLS, LS Life Sciences, announcing $21 million registered direct offering priced at a premium to the market. Sandy Lima
CLCO.
Sandy. $15.8 million
TRNR.
shares at $1.32. That's Sandy
LPSN.
Lima Sandy.
LZ. CDE.
Treasury increasing
TSM.
liquidity buyback total to $30 billion from $15 billion. Tentative buyback schedule includes cash management operations. That's from the Treasury.
Meta. O. Meta.
ADIL files patent application to protect
SMH.
core assets
Meta.
and extend IP exclusivity on core technology to
SOXX.
2044. That's Alpha Delta India Lima.
Meta. JEPQ. Meta.
MHUA,
TSM.
MHUA,
SER.
GMM,
SER.
GMM,
Ah.
ONDS, ONDIS, announcing contract with U.S. Coast Guard for maritime emissions monitoring. That's Oscar November Delta Sandy, ONDS.
SER,
Ah. NXL. SOXX.
SER, SLS,
NVDA.
SER,
TSM. ON.
SER,
LPSN. ONDS.
SER,
VRT. QCOM. Ah. Gatto.
LUMN,
TQQQ. TQQQ. CLSK. VRT. Meta. PLTR. O. Ah.
LUMN,
VRT. Meta. Meta.
MULN,
CLSK. EQNR. Pins.
MHUA,
LPSN. TLT. Hood.
GMM,
VRT.
GMM,
VRT. ARM. ARM. ABVX. ARM. ARM. Snap. Snow. SQ. LZ. VRT.
GMM,
ARM. Ah.
GMM, GMM,
JEPQ. TSLA. LPSN,
GMM,
Uber,
GMM,
Adil, VRT,
CZR, MHUA,
AZTR,
GMM, GMM,
BG Bungie on their call, company says could see a 50% drop in capex in 2026 versus 2025, excluding Viterra merger. That's from the CFO. That is Bravo Golf.
COSM, PT, LZ,
PCSA,
NCLH, SW, EDU,
PCSA,
LZ,
MHUA,
KHC, KHC,
IMNN,
JANX, CLSK,
MHUA,
CLSK, MSFU, 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 IREN, MSFU,
MHUA.
Quad. IREN. TQQQ. 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 TQQQ.
IMNN.
TQQQ.
AMZN.
TQQQ.
AMZN.
Meta.
MHUA.
Meta. Meta. CLSK. Meta.
MHUA.
Meta. 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 Meta.
AMZN.
Meta. Meta.
MHUA.
CORZ. AMZU. JDZG. Riot. MSFU. FBL.
VST. Big spread.
MSFU. UMC.
AMD. Big spread.
MSFU.
AMD.
TQQQ.
Big spread.
MSFU. Wolf.
TWOU.
Riot. TSLZ. MSFU. SERV. LUMN. SERV. MRK. CRWD. CRWD. ADIL. AMZU.
MHUA.
TSM.
AMZN.
Doug.
MHUA.
LMND.
Shares of Boeing
LMND.
pulling back here, 188.70 now. Still
Dell.
trading higher after the company reporting and naming a new CEO. That's Bravo Alpha. Shares of MasterCard off the highs, 459.57,
Dell. AMZU.
up about $12
Dell.
following their better than expected report
Dell.
for Michael Alpha.
BIDU. Dell. QQQ.
TMUS, T-Mobile had a strong report, 179.84 now, up $4.48.
QQQ.
That's Tango Michael Uniform Sandy.
EDU.
MHUA.
CONL. Dell. NVGS. Coog.
SOXL,
CLSK, LMND, CLSK, coin.
SOXL,
CONL. CONL. SOXX, coin. Dell.
IMNN,
TQQQ. TQQQ. CONL. EFSH. QQQ. QQQ. CONL. QQQ. EDU. Coin. Coog. TQQQ. QQQ. QQQ.
MHUA,
QQQ. QQQ.
SOXL,
SER. EFSH.
MHUA,
TQQQ. QQQ. TQQQ. Oi. TQQQ.
MHUA,
EFSH. Etha. AMZQ. Dell. QCOM. AMZU. QQQ.
AMD,
XOM. SCM. LMND.
AMD,
QQQ. XOM. Dell. XOM. CVX. CONL. REKR.
TSLL,
MTCH. MTCH. AMKR. TVX. XOM. XOM. BIDU. MTCH.
MHUA,
AMKR. TAVA. TONL. TAVA. 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 F.
SOXL, SOXL, NVDA,
NVO.
VRT,
QCOM. TSM.
VRT,
TSM. KGC.
TSM Taiwan
TSM,
Semiconductor shares
TSM,
at the highs now
TSM.
$163.
Adil. Adil.
Tango Sandy Michael. Shares of Nvidia now at the highs or near the highs, 110.95, up more than $7 on
BIDU,
NVDA,
TLT,
Nvidia.
Adil. TLT.
Oil,
XOM. TSM.
Boil,
TQQQ.
Boil. Boil.
BABA, Alibaba, the information reporting Alibaba to launch AI-powered search engine for e-commerce merchants. That is BABA.
BKSY. CCEP. IEF. TSM.
MHUA.
Adil.
MHUA.
O.
MHUA. MHUA.
DXCM. Coog. QQQ. TQQQ. QQQ. TQQQ. QQQ. TQQQ. TLT. SOXX. CYRX. JXJT, TLT. 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 TLT.
MHUA.
COMM. RVSN. Dell.
Com.
RVSN. Psi. RVSN.
RVSN, Real
WOU.
Vision successfully installed its AI-based
RVSN.
product at leading global mining company, Romeo Victor Sandy November,
RVSN.
RVSN.
RVSN. RVSN. BITX. BDTX. TLT.
Shares of Real Vision spiking to 84 cents, up 6 cents at the high on that press release from Romeo Victor Sandy November.
MHUA.
TLT. IEF. Dell. TLT.
MHUA.
TLT. Dell. TLT. BIDU. O.
GMM.
IEF. Rig. Rig. DXCM. DXCM.
MHUA.
Adil. Adil.
Adil. IMNN.
AMKR. O. JEPQ. JEPQ.
MHUA.
DM.
ADIL.
ADIL. ADIL.
ADIL.
ADIL. ADIL.
TSLL.
TAVA. BIDU. FUTU. FUBO. TLT. 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 ADIL. AMKR. ABCL. TSM. ABCL.
VCNX, VaccineX, reporting data for signal ad phase 1b2 trial of their treatment for Alzheimer's
TLM,
disease.
TSM. TLT.
That is
ABCL,
VCNX, Victor
TSM,
Charlie November X-ray.
ABCL. O. Coog. FUTU. ADIL.
ADIL.
TSM.
MHUA.
ADIL. FUTU. TSM. IEF. GOVX.
GeoVX
NVDL.
announces phase 2 plans for Gedeptin cancer therapy
NVDL.
following a clinical advisory committee
NVDL.
review.
NVDL.
That's Golf Oscar Victor
TSM.
X-ray, GeoVX.
COVM.
Hope.
GOVX. GOVX.
NVDA.
FUTU. NVDL. 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 O. NVDL.
GIM,
FUTU.
Gigamedia, reporting a loss of 6 cents.
FUTU. TLT. NVDL. FUTU. NVDL. FUTU. DFLI. NVDL. ARM. BIDU. TLT.
LSH, Lakeside enters into
TLT.
logistics agreement with
NVDL.
leading e-commerce platform.
NVDL.
That's Lima Sandy Hotel, LSH.
FUTU. ARM.
ALGT, Allegiant,
TLT.
MHUA.
announcing
LSH.
strategic review of Sunseeker Resort. That's Alpha Lima Golf Tango, ALGT.
TLT. NVDU, LSH, LSH, COMM, LSH,
MHUA, MHUA,